Hey guys, so it's fall time. It is October 10th right now, and even though these are like a couple days old, I am like crazy. I know my shower was already happened this weekend. So today is the 10th. My shower happened on the 5th. So essentially all I'm doing is quickly like changing the shape of the set, bringing it down ever so slightly and reshaping, and then literally putting a buttercream over it. Like, that's it. It's one of these things that it's like, I want a color change, but I don't want to redo everything. So actually I end up cutting my left hand a little bit shorter than my right hand. For some reason I always do that, even though like they were like the right size with the blue nails, although I'm going blue again. But I don't add any more product. Let's just say that. So I'm not adding any like fill in or anything like that. Like, I'm literally going over the same set that I have on now. I'm just changing the shape. And obviously I'm going to thin out certain pieces, because for nails that were more, I don't want to say coffin shape. They weren't really coffin. They were more like a tapered square. You are going to have thicker walls on that versus having thinner walls on more of an oval or almond shape. I don't know what I'm doing here. We're coming back. So again, I'm just taking down the walls so you can see not all the color will be gone. Actually, most of the color on my nails will not be gone. Just more so towards the tip where I am thinning it out. And then if it's a little bit thicker in the back, because like I had some glitter there, I will, take it all off. And for this specific nail, I did go all the way back to make sure that striping tape was off, just in case it like poked through or anything like that. But thankfully it didn't. But by bringing down the sides, I think this helped quite a bit. And I think I got off almost all the stamping as well, because anytime you have something that would not adhere very well, or potentially not adhere very well, you want to kind of take that off. But again, I liked how these came out because I was so ready for some fall nails. So again, I'm just coming in and filing, but I am just reshaping them, and I buffed them. I don't know if I show them on camera, buffing them, and then I cleanse, and then I put Nevermore on my nails, and then I do a matte top coat. This is a metallic color, which I absolutely love, and it looks so cool matte because it's just like this really cool sheen, and I just really liked it. So you could keep it with a shiny top coat or a matte top coat, but literally this is just a color change, and I wanted to show it to you guys because sometimes you just don't want to fully take your nails off, but you don't want the color. Like, I was so ready for fall. Like, I was ready for it. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and let you watch this. So I'm going to have music from here on out. So if you don't want to hear the music I put your own music on. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this quick change. I mean, this literally took me 20 minutes. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.